You ever spot a piece of real estate that isn't making noise, but you know it's about to shift the entire game? That's what I see in Altier Heights. A 37-story residential tower tucked between Jumeirah Islands and JLT is one of Dubai's most overlooked, overvalued, and soon to be impossible to ignore corridors. Hi, I'm Anora. I don't chase the hype. I work with investors who want real leverage, capital appreciation built on data, liquidity through strategic entry, and properties that rent before the dust even settles. Altier Heights sits exactly in between, and that gives it a pricing power that neither side can claim alone. Now, Jumeirah Islands and JLT, that is Jumeirah Lake Tower, one side you have got multi-million-dollar villas and where the average home trades for around $6 million. On the other, a hype-functional mixed-use district that consistently ranks among the highest-yielding zone in the city. The appreciation in these areas have been real apartment prices in Jumeirah Islands, which have grown by 60% since 2022. JLT, a solid 47% growth, more than that. And this is not a fluff. That's the market responding to access, infrastructure, and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about numbers. The tower is a 37-story stall with 355 units. Only 2 of those are penthouses. The rest are 1 to 3 bedroom apartments, plus a few smartly laid out 2-bed plus storage units. Even the 1-bed comes with ensuite bathrooms and generous layouts. Some units even offer unobstructed lake views, yes, even on the lower floors. And we are not talking compact floor plans here. 1 beds are around 850 to 900 square feet. 2 beds run up to 1,500 square feet. The penthouses will nearly 6,000 square feet of duplex spaces and private terraces and pools. And the interior are pure Ellington. I mean 3.2 meter ceiling heights, soft natural palettes, kitchen that feels that they belong in a boutique hotel. Now that's Ellington's design, which is signature. Elevated, refined, never rushed. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The amenities. Altier Heights isn't just checking the boxes on pools and gyms. It's delivering a full lifestyle platform, a 40-meter lap pool, sunken Japanese onsen baths, and rooftop fitness centers, kids splash pads, a greenhouse, private spa area, podcast rooms, karaoke lounges, outdoor drinking decks, and even a water lounge. You're not just buying square foot here, you're investing in wellness, design, and long-term value. And the value is holding strong across the Ellington portfolio. If you look at Ellington's performance in JVC, for example, the buildings appreciated quite well compared to the communities around it, almost more than 1.4 times on the same land, just because of the brand, design, and delivery. So let's talk about why this matters now. Altier Heights has a starting price of about 2.4 to 2.5 thousand dirhams per square foot. That's premium for the neighborhood, but underpriced for what you're getting. And here's the key. Ellington's pricing strategy is tiered. When they launch the next tower, it'll be higher. And when they deliver the next tower, the value of this will go up. They're not just building, they're creating structured demand. For the payment plan, 70% during construction and 30% on handover, which is the handover is in Q4 of 2028. Booking starts at just 20%, that gives you years of value build up without over leveraging. Rental yields are based on conservative comps like MBL Royal in JLT, and you're looking at 6.9% for 1 bedroom, about 6.7% for a 2-bed, and up to 7.3% for a 3-bed. But that's conservative. If you bake in Ellington's brand premium, almost, and we should, you'll be hitting 8 to 9% gross. Now let's zoom out. Dubai's apartment markets have grown up more than 30% since 2022. Jumeirah Island apartments 60%, JLT 47%, and every time Ellington launches a project, there's 3 times more demand for these units. That's the environment you're stepping into. Quiet leverage, smart capital. Now, this was all about Altier Heights. Now, if you're interested and want to know more, then contact me on the number given below, and I will catch you back in the next video.